Okay, I am going to show you how magical this brush is. You see it's double-sided. It's got a very chunky, thick ferrule. It's got a beautiful pink swirl handle. But what's amazing is how fast your makeup goes on. Watch. I'm going to take my absolute favorite foundation, and this color is warm beige. And I'm just going to put it on my hand. Watch the magic. This side is done. Now the other side, look how many strokes, 3 or 4 strokes, and then the forehead. But look how many strokes it takes to get this beautifully on the skin. This is a little light, this foundation, but that's okay. I put on my Revlon, I love this, 5-in-1 concealer, 24-hour. I just tap, tap, tap. I take the other brush, I take this Maybelline Precise Perfecting Highlighter, put it under my eyebrows, right there. I take this by Color Set by Contours RX on one side, and the Precise one by Maybelline on this side. Now I take my Master Blur Stick in number 130, medium tan. See how soft it is? The color and the application. I take the medium brush. I really didn't know how this was going to work, but it works. Oh, so look at that, how fast. Look at that. The 2 brushes speed everything up, and I'm just going to read you what it says. I think it says something about faster application. A uniquely designed double dome brush with 2 different types of bristles for flawless application and blending. Double dome achieves double coverage in less time. Angled ferrule design provides easier application. The innovative ergonomic handle design allows for comfortable grips. And this is what's included in the 3-piece set. A large rounded double dome blender, a small slanted double dome blender, an eye double dome blender, perfect for quick and easy foundation application and blending, concealing and blending makeup around the eyes. Used best with primer, liquid foundation, and concealer. Made of all vegan soft synthetic fibers, metallized plastic ferrule, and plastic handle. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. I'm going to take my puffy applicator, the heart shape, go right in there, and that does a perfect contour. It contours both sides of the nose. And there, we put a little blush. I don't think with this. I think I'll put the blush on with this. With the, I don't know, Mr. Right. I'm going to cover the cool pink, and I'm going to go all around the peach, the brown, and the beige. And I'm going to warm up my face. Now we're going to put this Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blends Sheer Highlighting Blush. Look at the colors. They're so pretty. Swirly swirl. Swirly swirl. Tappy tap. Now I'm going to show you the mascara trick. What I do is I take my favorite lash sculpting by Essence, the purple with the puffy over there, and I just squish it there and squish it there. I take my finger in the e.l.f. HD powder, which is a dupe for my selfie powder, and for the Charlotte Tilbury powder. It is a complete dupe. One coat. Look at this. One coat. Look how thick. One coat. I only dipped the wand in once. That is what one coat means. I do the bottom. And that's it. I'm so happy with these. I love these. Love, love, love. Ooh, they're so cute. You don't even need a sponge. I have my Beverly Hills Racquetball Club sweatshirt on. I got for $9 at Ross, and online it's about $50. So go to Ross, ladies, and Marshalls and TJ Maxx. You won't be sorry.
Oh, and just one more way to use the highlighter stick. The Maybelline highlight stick can be used in the inner corner for the dark spots, on the outer part to make a wing, on your laugh lines, on your smile lines, on your marionette lines. It's really a great product. And this concealer brush gets a 10 from me. 10 out of 10. So you've seen these brushes in a past video and my haul. And I also did a short about them and a TikTok. And I'm not sponsored at all. They don't know me. I just love them. And I think you would too. I think you should try them.
I believe they are on sale for 3 for $25. And that's it. Links for everything is below my YouTube channel, The O. Carol Show.